Notre-Dame reopened its doors December 7th, 2024. 5.5 years after the fire, you now enter through the main doors instead of the side doors. You walk into a jewelry setting of high proportions. Everything sparkles. The smells of past centuries are gone. I remembered dark chapels from the past. Now, I noticed the bright chapel of Our Lady of Guadalupe for the first time, its images all in mosaics. Standing under the transept where everything collapsed, I was in awe. After seeing photos of a blackened interior, this contrast was strikingly bright. We attended the Mass during our visit and listened to the music of the organ. No longer housed in the sacristy, the thorn, the cross, and the nail relics are now enclosed in a large gold disc in the axial chapel of the nave. France's symbolic rooster that topped the spire was found in the rubble the day after the fire. During services, the transept area is closed. My advice? Visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds. In the restored sacristy are the sacred objects saved from the fire by Captain Franck of the Paris Fire Brigade. They included the tunic of Louis IX from 1239. Stored at the Louvre during Reconstruction, I saw this 2023 temporary exhibit with the objects, and now I could see them back in their proper place. The annual nativity scene this year was a gift from Naples. For 50 years, piece by piece, 150 of them, the late Alberto Ravaglioli gathered the characters for the 18th century Neapolitan nativity scene. Notre-Dame is like a museum now. Come and renew your memories.